Hello, welcome to Quick Tale English. Today is a story about Ben and a small mistake. Let's learn English together. The Hello, welcome to Quick Tale English. Today is a story about Ben and a small mistake. Let's learn English together. The big mistake. Ben is 24 years old. He lives in a big city. Today is Monday. Ben is very tired because he finished work late. He wants to go home, eat dinner, and sleep. Ben walks to the bus station. He sees a big red bus. He thinks, this is my bus. He does not read the number on the front. He is not looking carefully. He gets on the bus, sits down, and closes his eyes. The bus moves. Ben sleeps for 20 minutes. Suddenly, the bus stops. The driver says, "Last stop, everyone out, please." Ben wakes up. He looks out the window. He does not see his house. He does not see his park. He sees old factories and a dark river. He is in a different district. This is the wrong part of the city. Asking for help. Ben is worried. He gets off the bus. It is cold, and he does not have a map. He looks at his phone, but the battery is at 1%. Then, his phone dies. Ben sees a woman near a small shop. He walks to her. "Excuse me," Ben says. "Can you help me? I am lost." The woman smiles. "Hello, where do you want to go?" "I want to go to North Street," Ben says. The woman shakes her head. "Oh no, North Street is very far from here. You are in the South District." Ben feels sad. "How can I go back?" he asks. The woman points to a blue sign. "Go to that bus stop. Take bus number 42. It goes to the city center. From the center, you can take a train to North Street." "Thank you very much," Ben says. Going home. Ben waits at the blue bus stop. After 10 minutes, bus number 42 arrives. This time, Ben reads the number 3 times. "Is this bus going to the center?" Ben asks the driver. "Yes, it is," the driver answers. Ben sits on the bus. He does not sleep now. He looks at the streets. Finally, he sees the big clock in the city center. He is happy. He takes the train and arrives at his house at 10 p.m. He is very tired, but he is safe. Now Ben knows. Always check the bus number. Thank you for reading. Practice your English every day. See you next time.